Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new daily quest in Grow a Garden Very Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my garden guide, and here you can go to the daily quest. And as you can see guys, that the daily quest has been updated. You will be able to get all these items by completing the daily quest. And when you have completed all the daily quest, you will get this gardener seed pack. Okay, and this is my quest for today. I need to plant 100 carrot seeds, harvest 50 blueberries, and also harvest 10 pumpkins. Okay, and I will have a chance to get reclaimer or the watering can or an advanced sprinkler. You will be able to get the harvest tool and the grandmaster sprinkler, normal seed pack, and random seed. Yeah, and that's so cool because you will get gardener seed pack after you complete all the daily quest. And make sure that you complete them all guys to get this one. Okay, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!